Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, we have another challenge lock here that was sent to me by Texas Jim. For some reason, he didn't tag any of his locks. They've all been challenge locks. I'll be sure to tag this one before it leaves the lab. It's a LSD kick cylinder here. It works fairly smooth. A little bit of hang up, but for the most part, it does work pretty smooth. We are locked up. That is the bitting on the key. Appears to be a hand-filed key too. 6-pin lock, but yeah, we are locked up. We'll see if we get it in there, and yeah, we'll see what Jim put in this lock for us. And it appears to be a very wide keyway on the top there. I really need to file me down a Allen wrench or something to make a better tension wrench for these locks that have these wide open keyways. Let me see. Oh, I guess that's probably going to have to do. Alright. Let me see. Okay, I'm pretty fond of this pick from Truckmaster. So, we're going to see if we get in there with this one. And I think this is pin 2. A little click from 2 clicks from him. A little click from 3. I got a little turn on that core. Okay, pin 4, get a little counter rotation. Alright, I think I got him. I think I got a little click off of 6. Counter right there off of 1. I believe I got him. Ooh, that was pin 5, but I'm not liking the way that one was. Pin 6, there's a lot of crunching back here. Lots of crunching. I'm going to get some counter right here off of 3. Counter here off of 5. A couple of nice crunchy clicks off of it. Now some crunchy clicks off of 6. There's definitely some crunchy. He's got some serrations in there or something. Oh, okay, I got a little bit turn off of 5. A little bit of turn on that core. I got a little bit of a faucet going here. And we're open on 6. Awesome. Alright, let's see what Jim put in this lock for us. Okay. Put that down there for a second. Grab the pitting tray. Actually, I got this one on top of it too. And why don't we just use that one since it's already on top of this one. That's an awesome pitting tray that Steel Pinnings made me. Alright, let's get this kick out of here. Okay, well, we can lock this back up because we have the key. Alright, still works. Let's get this clip off the back. You should be able to get it off with this. Alright. Yeah, there's some crunching in that lock. Alright, let me move this lamp. It's hit me in my head. Alright, I'm gonna do it this way. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to use a hollow follower for this one. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, there's all 6 pins. And they're all in there and working. And they are all way below the shear line, so everything needed to be picked in there. And I could see threading in every single one of those chambers. Alright, let's dump these pins. Wow, very deep, very wide serrations in 1 and 2. I think 3. Take a look at all these pins in a minute. Yep, more wide serrations. And another one there too. But yeah, we can see that it's threaded every single one of those chambers. Alright, let's go through the back of this lock so I don't start dropping these pins into the follower. So we'll start with number 6 here. Very wide serrations, a little bit of a T-pin there. Or a little reduced diameter on top anyway. Oh, get back here. Possibly a brass spring. I can see threading in already that first chamber. Or chamber 6, I should say. And I think that's a possible spool type. Copper spring, I believe. More threading in chamber 5. Yeah, I have no wonder why I was getting a lot of crunching in that lock. Or this lock. Very wide serrations again, very deep. And that might be a steel spring. I can see serrations in that one too. He might have serrated every chamber in here too. Again, very wide serrations, very sharp on top. Oh, that's a spool type with serrations. And a spring. That doesn't want to come out, and I just lost that spring, didn't I? That one just went flying on me. I'll have to look for that in a little bit. Alright, well that spring's not coming out of there either. Alright, let's go for number 2. Again, very wide, very deep serrations. And a copper spring, I believe. And last but not least, more wide serrations. Very deep too. Alright. Let me see if I could get this little spring out of there. Oh, here it is. It's coming. Alright. Yeah, the spring for number 5 is around here somewhere. It went flying on me. Yeah, I'll have to look for that after. But let's take a peek in here because I believe, well, maybe not all of them. Yeah, he does. He's got every single one of these chambers threaded. Yes, he does. Alright, let's have a look at these pins. Alright, you can see that we have some very deep, very wide serrations in 1, 2, that might be a spool type in 3, and we have a spool here in 4, again with very wide, very deep serration. That might be a double spool there. And key pin 6, more wide serrations, deep. And then up here in the drivers, we have another one with very wide, very deep serrations. Possibly a spool type in the middle of that one. more very deep, very wide serrations in 2. Then we have a spool type here in 3 with some wide serrations again on top of that one. And then look at how deep and very, very wide serrations there in 4. 5 is, not sure what that is. Spool type possibly. And last but not least, 6 more very deep, very wide serrations. And that one actually has a little bit of a reduced diameter on the top. But all the springs, let me see, I think that possibly a steel, brass, copper, steel, a flying spring, and possibly another steel. 6. Yeah, another fun lock from Texas Jim. Texas Jim, thank you very much, my friend, for pinning this lock up and sending it to me. I will definitely put a tag on it before it leaves the lab here. And yeah, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.